So now it's time for the third filtering. We have 3 coffee filters in our funnel. Everything's been rinsed out with distilled water. And so this is the third filtering. You notice even through 3 filters it's going fairly quickly. The idea is to make very clear and quiet cylinders so that people can hopefully master on these blanks. That is to make masters for molded records or make fine preservation recordings. In fact, it's all filtered already on this thing. We're using 3 coffee filters in this filtering. You notice we leave a little airspace around here because if you have it all the way down, it won't go through the filter. Our compound is looking fairly clear at this point. You could compare it to last time that there's less particulate matter going into the filters as well. That's why every time you do it, it goes in faster and faster. You can see that we have less particulate matter into the funnel. For our video productions, we are using a Yeti stereophonic microphone made by Blue. I'm using the Logitech webcam software, which I really don't care for because the audio on it has that digital sound to it. Well, of course everything's digital, but you know what I mean. It tries to do noise canceling and I try to disable it. I could actually record the audio separately and then dub it in, but I'm not the best at video editing. I'm an audio editor, not a video editor, so sometimes the syncing isn't right when I do it that way. So we just got a little drop here and we'll all be filtered.